Hello and welcome to ReBill PoS, and in today's video we're going to set up our first bagel shop. So in order to start, you visit ReBill-PoS.com, and we just want to start with a basic plan right now, which is free. So signing up, punching in your data, email address, and your country you're operating in this case we're choosing Jakarta, Indonesia. It'll send a confirmation email which you have to verify in order to activate your account, which is a matter of a simple click on verify email. Once you've done that, you simply log in and basically can start your business by going to the ReBill dashboard. So first of all, we need to set up our first outlet. That's very important because without an outlet you cannot operate. So we call our outlet the Bagelmeister Jakarta. Again, punching in some data, social media, and you can customize it a bit further, changing the color. Let's pick a bagel-like brown, setting the time zone and picking a logo. From here you need to create a staff member. So that's very important, as your POS system will be used by employees probably. Once that is done, let's head right over to the product section and create our first product. In this case, it'll be a basic bagel, nothing special. And we create a product category called food. We're probably going to create more categories later on. But for now, we want to create only bagels, which is food. Same here, you can upload an image. And now the important part is setting up a price. So now we only have one outlet, and we want to set the sales price, which equals the base price as long as you leave the tax at 0. But you also want to put in the roughly estimated purchase price. In this case, I put in 1. Note that we're operating here with Great British Pounds. Even though our place is in Jakarta, we are using pounds as a currency. Now ReBill PoS supports any currency, so you can set up your shop anywhere around the world. Now we add 3 more items in total, and we want to add another category, which is drinks. So in this case we're going to add a cappuccino, create a new category, call it drinks, and then pretty much the same thing here, uploading a picture of our cappuccino, and then again setting a price and repeating that for another drink, which is an espresso. Okay, done. Great. Now we want to set up a special offer for our customers to entice them to buy a little bit more. So we are going to offer 3 bagels for the price of 2. Setting the price to £6, picking in an according image, and we want to have this offer running until the end of the year. We have to pick the product, in this case our standard bagel, increase the quantity to 3, and your special is ready to roll. On top of that, we want to offer our customers, especially our new customers, a discount. Here we go. Our first discount will be the opening deal, and we offer 10% for the outlet in Jakarta. Activating it, and we are ready to go. Furthermore, we want to check our settings to make sure that we are using the right format and got things like service fee or bill tax or time zone and language covered. We can change our logo to Bagelmeister. The number format is quite important for some countries, using the comma dot rather than the dot comma. Here we can add more staff members in case you have more than one. Or you can open more shops by adding more outlets. Each outlet would require a separate subscription, which is handled in the subscription dashboard. Now let's look at our live dashboard. Here we have our weekly overview where you can see the earnings for today and yesterday, this week, and for the month. Now I'm not happy with the number format because it's incorrect. In British space it would be dot comma rather than comma dot. Let's see how that looks like. And here we go, we fixed it. We got the currency now in the right format. Sales will appear here. And that is how you start your first shop with ReBill POS.com. See you next time.